ONPASSIVE has started a massive marketing campaign. In order to get ONPASSIVE's name to the world, marketing must be done first. ONPASSIVE is marketing in a creative, innovative way. For as long as businesses have been in existence, marketing has been the most important phase of any business. Untold billions of dollars are spent each year by companies big and small, startups, and also established companies. How many times have you passed by billboards and recognized a new company? Or an established company that you heard about on the radio and saw on television? Why do businesses do that? To be able to have success in their businesses. Why is it that most new businesses that open go out of business within 20 months and only 10% are successful? One major flaw in startup companies is a lack of branding. What is branding? Branding is the process of giving meaning to specific companies, products, or services by creating and shaping the name of that product, service, or company in the consumer's mind. ONPASSIVE is a high-tech company and digital manufacturer of its own AI, which is artificial intelligence-driven products. It is in the pre-launch stage. The campaign that ONPASSIVE has started to market is starting to be seen by the public. That is branding the name of ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE is positioning itself with its digital products driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. ONPASSIVE is called the company built with heart. The branding of ONPASSIVE starts with a very attractive logo. When that logo is seen, people will know that it belongs to a company called ONPASSIVE. That is done to brand ONPASSIVE in the minds of people. Mr. Ash Maffair, who is the designer of ONPASSIVE, and who is a master marketer, has chosen an area or place that is well known and prestigious. A place that attracts people from all over the world. He wanted a place with instant recognition. A world-renowned place that would represent the fact that ONPASSIVE is an information and technology company that's just about to come out of pre-launch after over 3.5 years of product development and innovation. A state-of-the-art operations building, housing some of the most technologically advanced engineers, located in India, known for its technology experts in the field of digital and high-tech products. The products were ready and waiting, but something was needed to show the world that ONPASSIVE had entered into this information and technology space. Known by only a few people, Mr. Maffair had searched for a location for over 1 year to find the perfect place to start ONPASSIVE's marketing campaigns. On March 30th, 2022, we found out that the place chosen by Mr. Maffair was Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is the most recognizable city on the planet. Ultra-modern, high-tech, innovative. Dubai mirrored what ONPASSIVE is all about. Dubai has some of the most expensive real estate on the earth. Dubai is state-of-the-art, the most advanced city ever developed. The home of a functioning underwater railway system. Dubai is an architectural phenomenon. We were shocked out of our minds to have a presence in that incredible city. ONPASSIVE has offices in Dubai. And the CEO is a resident of Dubai, Mr. Mohammed Kamal, who was once a founder of ONPASSIVE, but is no longer a founder. He has been hired by Mr. Ash Maffair to head the Dubai operations for ONPASSIVE. Mr. Kamal and Mr. Maffair and a chosen few knew, but didn't leak the information. Now for the really big news. ONPASSIVE has bought 2 entire floors in the world-famous Burj Khalifa. Floors 134 and 151 make ONPASSIVE the highest office in the world because Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on the earth. ONPASSIVE has not opened to the public, and it is at the top of the world of business in this magnificent building. That is called brand marketing. Spreading the name of ONPASSIVE. The other compelling reasons for selecting Dubai to start ONPASSIVE marketing campaigns are the millions of tourists from the 4 corners of the earth visiting Dubai each year. Over 90 million people, non-residents of Dubai visiting, taking pictures, and noticing what is happening in Dubai as it relates to Onpassive. Onpassive is all over Dubai with advertising in every famous landmark area in Dubai. The name Onpassive is prominently displayed. Remember the purpose of branding? To shape a company, product or service in the minds of consumers. Onpassive is doing that. It is called name recognition advertising and it is pure genius. Dubai also has the top IT companies with offices in what is called Dubai Internet City. Onpassive is the new kid on the block, and all those other companies are looking up at the highest company on the planet in the Burj Khalifa building. Mr. Muffet didn't throw money down the rabbit hole where other companies have fallen. Onpassive is building its brand in an unconventional way, but very, very effective. Brand recognition is done first. Targeting specific people is the reason why Onpassive will be a household name in the minds of all those tourists who are taking pictures and sending those pictures to their relatives all over this planet. With all of that branding, Onpassive when it publicly launches will go viral. Just think. This is only the beginning. What is next? We can't wait.